Welcome to XL Compressors, the Northwest's leading official distributor and stockist of Boge compressors and compressed air products and services. XL can service and support a wide variety of compressed air equipment. Click on the link underneath this video to visit our website and to contact us today. Supplying air compressors from 1.1 kilowatts to 400 kilowatts and compressed air equipment to match, there's nothing we cannot cover. Our engineers are highly trained on all types of equipment, and most of them are also qualified, competent examiners. We can also provide hire of portable units where necessary. We cover all the various manufacturers within the industry, including Boge, Atlas, HPC, Parker Dominick Hunter, Compare and Beco, to name just a few. Significant investment in technical training, spare parts and hands-on expertise, both on-site and off, enable us to provide the highest level of service to all our customers. XL also stocks a large number of new and used air compressors, all of which are available with a minimum 6-month warranty and can be extended to suit your individual requirements. At XL Compressors, we offer only the highest quality products and services to our customers. We're also on hand 24/7 to provide support for your business, as our current customers will attest to. For more information, contact us today by calling free phone 0800 999 3106. You can also visit us directly at xlcompressors.com by clicking the link below this video.